Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from your Gate.io to your Coinbase account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Gate.io account. Once you're logged into your Gate.io account, next you need to click on Wallet in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on Wallet, a drop-down menu appears, and from the list you need to click on Withdraw since we are transferring cryptos. So to begin with the transaction process, first thing you need to select the coin code. So in order to select the coin code, you'll need to click on the small arrow icon located right in the corner. As you click on the arrow icon, a list of options appears. So from here, you need to select the kind of cryptocurrency that you want to transfer or the coin code. And once you're done selecting the currency type or the coin code, and at the same time, you also need to select the coin. So there will be two options available, so you need to select either one of these options. After you're done completing all of these process, next thing you need to do is enter in the wallet address. Since you have not copied the wallet address, so we need to copy it first. So then you need to log in into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option is buy, sell. You need to click on it. As you click on buy and sell right in center, a pop-up appears, and from there you need to click on receive. Next thing you need to do is select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive, or you'll need to select an asset. After you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, next interface you'll have the QR code right in center and a wallet address right at the bottom. So you need to copy in the wallet address, and once you're done copying the wallet address, you need to head back to the Gate.io account. And right at the bottom you need to type in the wallet address, or you need to paste in the wallet address. So after that you need to click on transfer now. After you're done submitting, you'll be notified that you've transferred cryptos from Gate.io to your Coinbase account. Maybe a day or two you'll be able to receive a notification stating that you've successfully received cryptos from Gate.io to your Coinbase account. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from Gate.io to your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.